Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate chip cookies ingredients easy method. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F and gather 1 cup butter, 3/4 cup sugar, 3/4 cup brown sugar, 2 eggs, 2 tsp vanilla, 2 1/4 cups flour, 1 tsp baking soda, 1 tsp salt, and 2 cups chocolate chips. Cream butter and sugars, add eggs and vanilla, then mix dry ingredients and fold in chips. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes until golden. Start by creaming the butter and sugars until the mixture is light and airy, which makes cookies tender. Add eggs one at a time, mixing well, then stir in 2 tsp vanilla. Combine dry ingredients separately and fold them into the wet mixture gently to avoid overworking the dough. Finally, stir in 2 cups chocolate chips evenly, chill briefly if needed, and scoop onto a baking sheet for consistent cookies. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy recipes and tips. Quick recommendation. The new Kindle Paperwhite is great for keeping recipes close and hands-free while you bake, and it's a surprisingly handy kitchen companion. Check the description for the Kindle Paperwhite link and other deals I mentioned and grab one if you want a neat cooking helper. Now let's get back to the video. Place scooped dough onto a lined baking sheet with about 2 inches between each cookie to allow spreading. Bake at 350 degrees F for 10 to 12 minutes until the edges begin to turn golden and centers look set but soft. Let cookies cool on the baking sheet for 2 minutes, then transfer to a wire rack to finish cooling. This preserves crisp edges and soft centers for the perfect cookie bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.